So at this point, I want to kind of look at a third way we can solve for monthly payment using this time of the graphing calculators has a tool. So finding the monthly payment to amortize principal and interest for a fixed mortgage rate. Use either the regular monthly formula or the given table, or we're going to use the TI-84 this time. So on the TI-84, if we go to apps, there's a finance button here that we can hit. And there's just what's called the TVM solver. So we choose number one here, and it gives us these things here. N stands for the number of compounding periods. So we're paying monthly payments for 15 years. So 15 times 12 is going to be that value. The interest rate is going to be our annual interest rate. Here we don't actually change it to a decimal. We leave it as a percent. So we leave that as a 6. P stands for present value, so we're at $88,000 at this point. This is what we don't know. This is what we're going to solve for. The future value, if you will, this should be a V. The future value, we wanted that to be down to 0. Payments per year, we're going to be paying 12 times a year. And compoundings per year, it's being compounded 12 times a year. That's why our interest kind of goes out of control. So what I can do is type in the N. And again, I can type in just 15 times 12 here. It'll do the math for us. So it's going to be 180 payments at a 6% rate. Our present value is this 88,000. We don't know the payment. Our future value is going to be 0. Our payments per year will be 12. And our compounding per year will be 12. And we're paying at the end of the month. So what we can do now is we go up here to the payment and we want to solve for it. Notice down here on the enter button, there's a little green solve. So to get to the green button, we have to hit the alpha button. So if we hit the alpha button, then hit the enter button, it'll give us that we're going to be, like I said, a payment is coming out of our pocket. So that's going to end up being this $742.59. So notice how we can also use this TVM solver on the calculator to calculate our monthly payment. There's also a lot of apps out there on the internet that you can use, but these are the 3 we can use inside our course.